That's for the toilet. All new plumbing. That's for the sink. That's for the drain for the sink. And then that will be for the tub. And then that little piece right there will go up and be for the shower head. That will be up there. Okay. And you see all the framing is done.
Lights and power off over there?
Yes. All the framing is done on the inside. I'm sitting on the 1-bedroom side, looking over to the 2-bedroom side. See, my windows is in, the bay window with the nice, it's gonna be a ledge right there, and then an inlay of light on that side. So it's coming along, it's progressing. Then up there goes the fan. Alright.